So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I will teach you how to make a better quality video in your mobile Oppo A54. So if you really don't know, come and get with me. So guys, here we go. At first you have to go in the camera. So after this here in the app that you can see in the right side corner, so you have to click there. So guys, here you will get to see options for volume on buttons. If you want to click photos or you want to click for videos, you can and use these volume buttons. So here you can see fingerprint setting and shutter sound. Even you can add your locations in your photos or videos in which location you have created. So flip selfies. So guys, here in the last second you can see video resolution. So you have to click here and you have to for better quality you have to click in 1080p, and for normal you can click in 720p. So for better, I use for better quality, so I always keep this 1080p. So guys, this is how you have to do. If you really like this video, hit a like, and thanks for watching this video.